Hi everyone, so this is a bag and a sandals I revamped, and this is how the sandals came. Actually, the person got a brand new sandals and asked me to just redesign the sandals. So, and this is the bag. The bag was an old purse, it's a purse rather. It was an old purse, so she also asked me to do it to match for her. And of course, as usual, I start the process of going through my um, work, like what I want to work on, to see how it was before I even um, before I even detach everything from from the shoe or the bag or whatever it is I want to revamp. So yeah, so this is me still looking at it because it can be so confusing that you won't know what and what you took out and where you took them out from. And of course, this is yeah, these are the stones I wanted to use, but I had to change the silver. You see the outcome of it, and this is an Asoke material and lace material she gave to me. Yeah, so still looking at the bag to see what and what it was like. Of course, I've started. I've dismantled the first leg, and I had to first of all revamp the first leg, so I would know what I did for the first one to do with the second one, because it's not like it's a shoe that has one pattern. This one has um a lot of ropes or whatever, so you need to know where and where you took them from, so you'll be able to put them back. Yeah, so this is me still on the first leg. I had to start wrapping them with lace, and after wrapping them, of course, I attached them first before I went to the second leg. And this is also for the bag. I've already started detaching the bag too, and I had to do the video, of course, to show you guys. This is the front design. I used the Ashoke for on the bag, and these are the sides of the bag. So now back to the shoe. Yeah, I started with the first leg. I had not detached the second leg yet because I wanted to finish the first one before I knew. So I know what I will do on the second one. And of course, so I don't make mistakes. You can see they are different, like they're in different lines and holes. So if you do not know where you took something out from, if you detach the two of them at once, you might not even know where you took this one out and where it should be put. You get it? So I just had to do them one by one. And yeah, for the back, I also had to do it side by side. I didn't detach everything too, but the bag was a bit easy. Yeah, as you can see, I'm almost done with the bag. And for here, this measurement, you can see it's not equal. Yeah, so I missed the measurement. I I didn't know that this was not the complete measure. Add more materials. I'll show you what I did there to cover up that little mistake I made, because I had already cut. I didn't get enough lace for it. So I had already cut it, and I just needed to cover up my own mess. It was a good one, anyways. I did a very good job for it. So now this is the second leg of the soppas. I'd finished the first one. I went over to the second one, and then of course she asked me to cover all these holes, just to cover all these holes. So if you check, you see the leather was just test running. The leather is gonna be fine. But I said no. If I use a black leather, it might be obvious. So let me use a silver, which I later went ahead to use the silver to cover the holes. But then she was saying she's still seeing holes. So now this is I've not finished here yet. So I had to use silver, like I said, which I later removed because it was too tight for the person I wanted to use it. So I had to start doing this at first. Now this is for the bag. This is for the bag. I started cutting all these beautiful designs from the lace, and I wanted to stone. So I tried out. First of all, you'll see in the course of this video, I tried out with a gold stone, and it wasn't really looking too nice because the material is more of silver. Yeah, so I tried out something like it was fine actually. It won't be fine on the bag because the bag has more of silver. So I had to quickly go get the silver stones, which you see, of course, in the course of this video. So I was still doing this test run, and I sent the person that, okay, do you like this? She said no. I know it's a silver, better still don't stone. So yeah, so you can see the silver stones. You can see the silver stones, yeah. Now these stones are not the normal tailoring stones. These ones you have to kind of hook it into whatever it is, the material precisely. Then you use your hammer to hit it, to bend it, so it doesn't pull out or it doesn't start, piercing somebody's skin through the bag or shoe you're making. And this is the shoe. I decided to buy this fine design to also continue in the shoemaking. You can see I've added the silver leather to cover it. I later removed it actually because it made the shoe too tight for the person who wanted to use it. So yeah, so this has a hook, but I couldn't actually use the hook because the surface of the shoe was very very strong, and I'd already put it on the shoe before the hook came, so I couldn't use my hammer and my puncher to punch the hole. So this is the bag. The bag has been done right now. And for the shoe, yeah, so I also finished making the shoe, and it was very beautiful. I had to remove that silver leather I showed you guys. I removed it. Then I covered the shoe with fine designs too. So you won't see anything that happened, and that's what it means to be a craft person. You have to be very very creative with your hands. You have to, even when you make a mistake, you should be able to, you can still see the silver leather. I later removed it actually. I didn't snap those pictures because this was really too tight for her legs. So you have to be very, very creative. Just think about creativity. That even when you've made a mistake, you know that um you you're very creative to cover your mistakes without anyone knowing. For instance, this bag you're saying, I had cut the materials and it was not enough, so I had to add. But where I added the material, you won't even know if I don't tell you, because I had used stones to design everywhere, designed everywhere. Thank you for viewing. And please kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll really be very grateful. Thank you. Thanks for watching once again.